A lightning bolt strikes a tree 823.2 meters away. How long will it take the sound of thunder to reach your ears? Well, there's some things that are identified in the givens. So, for example, we are told that this displacement equals 823.2 meters. So displacement equals 823.2 meters. And then we are told that the velocity of sound in air equals 343 meters per second. And you know that it's velocity because it's in meters per second. How long will it take? That's a measurement of time. And that's going to be in seconds. And the equation we can use is velocity equals displacement divided by time. So velocity is 343, which equals 823.2 over t, which we don't know. So I'm going to multiply this side by t so that I can get them to cancel. But whatever I do to the right, I have to do to the left as well. So I'm going to multiply this side by t. So I get 343t equals 823.2. To get t all by itself, I'm going to divide by 343. Both sides. And I do that so that this cancels with this. And then when I do the math, I get t equals 2.4. And the units is seconds.